Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the filtering the data for the primitive values. Like we have primitive values like integer. Okay, so we have filtered the numbers and we have displayed the numbers which are greater than 5. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll be taking some names actually. So I have a list of names. Now I'll be streaming through these names and I'll be displaying the names whose name starts with the J. Okay, so what are the names it will display? John, Jane, Jack, and Jill. So these are the names it will display. If I change the so this is one scenario I'll do. If in the next scenario, what I'll do is if the name starts with S, it should display these names as well. Sajjad, Sahil, and Sana. Okay, so now let's go and do it. Okay, so I'll say I'll be streaming through these names. Okay, so names dot stream through the names and perform the filter. The stream operation will be returning the so names dot stream will return the stream of strings and we will be performing the filter on the streams. Okay, so now what we'll do is a name. I'll be taking one by one. So name dot we will be checking that name. If the name starts with if the name starts with the name starts with if the name starts with J, what I'll do is I'll be displaying those names into a console system.out.println. That's what we will be doing. Okay, the name starts with J. So something is wrong here. Okay, here I haven't completed the statement. Println. That's fine. Now it's fine. Oh, system dot out double colon println. That's fine. So here, what is this? It's not names, it's name. Okay, fine. So name starts with J. So you'll be displaying the names like John, Jane, Jack, and Jill. So let me run this one, run as a Java application. So it will be displaying the names like John, Jane, and Jack. See, John, Jane, Jack, Jill. So these are the names it displayed actually. So now if I change it to from J to S, if I change, so it will display what names? Sajjad, Sahil, and Sana. Let me run it. Run as Java application. See the output. See, it is the output is displayed like Sajjad, Sahil, and Sana. Now, if you don't want to display the names into a console, now you want to take into a collection. So what you have to do is you have to use a terminal operation like collect. So collect is a terminal operation. You will be storing these matching elements to a list actually. Okay. Okay. Fine. So now what you will do is you will be as you are storing into the list, you will be returning the like as we are storing into the list. What type of value you will be storing? String values. Filtered collection. Filtered collection. That's fine. Okay. So this is the filtered collection. It will be returning it. Okay. Now, if you want to display the collection, you can display it. Okay. So filtered names starts with this S is. You'll be displaying the filtered collection. You can take it into a separate collection or you can directly display it. See here, filtered name starts with S is Sajjad, Sahil, and Sanna. Similarly, you can do it for the name starts with J as well. Okay, I'll be giving you uh, as an assignment. You can do it. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please comment it in the comment section. I'll be done with this session. In the next session, we will be continuing with one more example as well. Thank you.